Thank you for watching this instructional video on basic skills for authoring in the Oregon.gov SharePoint environment. This video discusses the creation and working with hyperlinks and bookmarks in the Oregon.gov instance of SharePoint. It is assumed that the viewer is able to reach and open a web page for editing. The processes here will be significantly similar for pages in versions 3, 4, and the new Web Starter template. There are two kinds of hyperlinks we'll discuss here. From address, for links outside the agency site, and from SharePoint, for links within the agency site. For either kind of link, the first steps are the same. First, navigate to the page the link goes on. Enter edit mode on that page. Highlight the text that is to be a link, and in the ribbon, activate the Insert tab and choose Link. At this point, the choice is made to link from SharePoint or from address. From SharePoint. The ribbon will open a window to browse to the desired page or document where the link will land. In that window, browse to the desired designation page or document and click it. Click OK to establish the link. This kind of link will automatically keep track of its location in the authoring or published page, and even if it is moved from staging to production. Notice after the link is established, if the cursor is placed in the linked text, the Link Tools tab appears in the ribbon. From address. The ribbon will open a smaller window showing the selected text and offering an address field to input the fully qualified URL of the destination link. It's a good idea to have copied that from the browser prior to beginning the link creation process. Type or paste the destination URL into the address field. Click OK to establish the link. Using either option, the link is now established and the page can be published to send the link to the production page. Remember, it can take up to an hour for changes to take place. The Link Tools tab. After a link is established, placing the cursor in the link will expose the Link Tools tab of the ribbon. Activate the tab by clicking on it in the ribbon. Link Tools allow you to select a new destination for the link, remove the link. This retains the text that was associated with the link on the page. Modify the link URL by hand. Enter or change the description for the link. This will show up as a tooltip on the page. Enter a bookmark. Entering a word in this field establishes an ID attribute at the location of the link using the word entered. The ID tag is a kind of marker on the page that the browser recognizes as a linkable location. More on these in just a few moments. Or open in a new tab. This should work in the new web template sites. At the time of this recording, it is not expected to have any effect in V3 or V4 sites. Linking an image. To apply a link to an image on a page, place the image on the page first, then select the image by clicking on it. The image will show a blue overlay. Use the Insert tab and choose Link. From here, just go through the process to set the link and save the page. After the page is saved and checked in, the link on the image will act just like any normal text link. Be sure to include alt text for the image. That requirement does not change if the image is made a link. Create a bookmark or anchor. A bookmark or anchor can be created with the Link tool as well. A bookmark will allow a point on a page to be linked to so that the browser will not only deliver the viewer to the page, but will automatically scroll the page to the point of the bookmark. To set a bookmark, you'll want to sort of pretend to make a link on the line of text that will be at the very top of the page when a link to the bookmark will be followed. Text can be selected for a bookmark, but does not have to be. A space can be selected for this purpose. For this example, I'm selecting a space on an empty line on the page and not selecting any text. Creating a link to the site homepage temporarily will do the trick. After the link is created, leave the cursor where it is, activate the Link Tools ribbon, highlight and delete the text in the URL field. In the bookmark field, enter the text to be used for your bookmark. This should have no special characters or spaces, and shorter is generally better. Save or check in the page. There is now an ID tag in the HTML of your page that a link can be created to go to. The link will have the URL of the page followed by a hash mark and the word used for the link. An example of this is on the screen now. If a link like this is used, the browser will deliver a user directly to that point on the page. Thanks for watching this short helpful video on creating and working with links on an Oregon.gov webpage.